Hi, this is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. This is the 2019 Toyota RAV4 Limited with the technology package. But today I'm going to cover the functions of the smart key for you guys. On the Limited with the technology package, this has a smart key that works on all four doors and also the back, the lift gate. So I'm going to kind of show you how that works and also how the smart key you can use to turn on the vehicle. So this right here is the Toyota smart key. This sends a signal to the engine when you push the button, which I'll show you, and it will turn the car on when you're inside. You also can lock and then unlock, and also you can hold it, open that lift gate in the back, and you also have the alarm feature too, which, you know, the smart key is pretty cool. Now, what makes the smart key so nice is it's super easy access to the vehicle. You just keep it in your pocket, or you put it in your purse, and you will just walk up to the vehicle. So I'll just put it in my pocket right now. Nice and easy. So on the doors, to lock it, there's a little groove on the side. These are on all four doors. That's to lock it. And then unlock, you just walk up with the smart key in your pocket, put your hand on the handle, it unlocks. So it's super easy to get in the car, so I'm just gonna lock it. And then say you have a bunch of groceries and you wanna get in the back. Since this has a power lift gate and it works on every single door and the back, you just walk up to the car. You can either hold the lift gate, which you saw me do, on the button, or you just click the button in the back here. Now these are automatic, so to bring it back down, you can either use the smart key, so I'll just do that right now. Right there, you just hold this button, or what you can do is you can press this button right here. And that's kind of how to use the smart key to its best use on the outside. So I'll show you how to use the smart key inside. Now we're inside the 2019 Toyota RAV4. This has the smart key, which I've been showing you guys. What's great about this is you can start the car. So to start the vehicle, you put your foot on the brake right there, and then you push the brake pad and you push the engine switch to start. So the engine switch is just right here, the engine start button. So you have to have your foot on the brake and you just press that button. And then when you're done driving, you just put the vehicle in park. Make sure you put the vehicle in park and you want to turn it off, you just press the button again. Now say you don't want to turn on the car, but you want to listen to some music, or you want to make a phone call. All you have to do is you press this button. My foot is not on the brake. This doesn't turn on the engine, but it turns on the auxiliary power. So you can play music while your engine's not on, or you can make a phone call. But that is the smart key system. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Scott here at Gresham Toyota. We are #Gateway to Adventure. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe. You can always reach me at 503-758-3612. This is a how-to on the 2019 Toyota RAV4 smart key system. It's absolutely amazing and easy to use. Thanks. Bye.